Good morning students, I am Yoginder. This video for class 9 subject information technology and chapter name is computer fundamentals. First heading is computer. What is computer or what do you understand by computer? Computer is a electronic machine that takes some input, process it and produces an output. In other word, computer is a electronic machine which accept raw data and give the output according to the user. Parts of computer. How many parts of computer and their names? A computer follows an input process output means IPO cycle as explained in above examples from our daily life. To perform this cycle, computer has many parts as there are 3 stages in the IPO cycle. There are 3 categories of computer parts as well. Input unit. The devices that are used to give data and instruction to the computer from the input unit. Input devices example keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Output unit. The devices that are used to give processed information to the user from the output unit. With the help of output devices, computer display output to the user. Central processing unit CPU. The devices that are used to process the given data and instruction to get the desired output from the central processing unit. CPU is the brain of the computer and perform multiple tasks. It has a control unit, arithmetic logic unit and memory unit to help in performing all the process. So student, CPU is the brain of computer because all operation performed in or doing by CPU. You can see block diagram of computer. Input unit, central processing unit CPU, output unit and secondary storage device. Parts of CPU: control unit, ALU and MU. Input unit, output unit discussed already. Now we will discuss CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for processing all the data as per the instruction given by the user. It has 3 internal parts: ALU, CU and memory to enable it to perform all the function. All the operation performed in the CPU. So CPU is the brain of the computer and responsible for all operation. Control unit controls all the functions of the computer. Beside the ALU and memory, the control unit is directly connected to all the devices like input devices, output devices, storage devices, etc. Control unit controls all the functions which are performing in CPU. Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU. Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU is the part of CPU where all arithmetic operation and logical comparison take place. You can say that all the actual processing takes place inside the ALU. ALU perform all arithmetic calculation and logical calculation. Now memory. Control unit stores all the data and instruction in memory. Computer stores all the data, instruction and information in the form of 0 and 1. The 0 and 1 are the binary digit or bits. So each bit is equal to 0 or 1. The capacity of computer memory is measured in byte. 1 byte equal 8 bits.